Today we are here with Crispy Concord and we are going to hike randomly, I don't know where, in Uri to find the Stäubifall. Let's go. The funny thing is, it's waterproof, so I can put it in a water.
Oh, that'd be sick.
War schon cool. Huh? Yeah, Nika, I really didn't thought it was so near us.
Dude, maybe it was 2 hours there and back.
Yeah, maybe,
I think
yeah.
it actually is.
Damn, James Bond.
What is weirdo?
That says attention.
Oh, attention what?
Why the roast?
What do they want our attention?
I don't know.
Kind of seeking.
Some...
Oh shit. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, they're so cute.
Look how cute this is.
I'm so scared of what's going on.
I mean, they see a lot of people around here, so they shouldn't attack. Ah. Oh no!
Be careful, donkey. You stepped in donkey. You stepped in donkey.
Oh.
He's going.
They're on
He's like on top. He's standing on this.
Oh.
He's standing on this. That one's just showing his outfit. What is he going on?
Sick head.
What's like
A car is coming. Oh, the baby? Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit. He's aiming for something else.
Okay, just randomly. Hold on. Hey, chat.
Damn, if there was like a bug like this. What the fuck?
A bug.
Yeah, like this. Kannst du drehen, weißt du?
Ja.
Oh, gut. Was ist hier? Hammer.
But there's a waterfall. On the way to the waterfall.
Ist das er, die Dinge?
Ja,
Geht gut.
das ist
Geht zur Kuh, geht zur Kuh. Oh my gosh. Ja, das auch, das habe ich noch nicht gesehen. Damn, the wind.
Oh, I feel the water.
Oh, nice.
And this is the most beautiful moment.
Ah, ist vielleicht gut, dass er allein abgesehen ist, weißt du? Ich schwöre.
Oh, look at the cow.
Er geht rüber bei dir. Yo! What's up, guys? We made it!
Okay, what did we say?
I don't know. We got it! Damn, look what's in the shop to Qatar. You can feel the water coming. Wasn't the ship?
Feels like it's raining. Is that because we're in a cloud?
I guess.
That's because we just made into a cloud seat.
Mm-hmm.
It's so chilly.
Oh, look at chicken. So that's it for the hiking and also the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. A big thank you to Crispy for everything. It was so funny and spontaneous. Even while editing this video, I can't believe we just went hiking. It's like I see you every day on YouTube and now we randomly just went hiking. It was so random. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again one day. Maybe here in Switzerland. Maybe I will come to you to Texas, and maybe you can bring me to hike. I don't know. I really hope you enjoyed it, found your peace with this hiking, and I wish you the best on your journey. And take care, bro.